Just listed, a beautiful spacious 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home on a premium lot in the community of the Trails of Beaver Creek. This home is adjacent to a common area with a beautiful, fenced yard and patio overlooking a pond and fountain. It features an open floor plan on the first floor, a beautiful kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, and dining area, that combines into a great room with vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace. It also has a formal dining room, a first-floor primary bedroom suite, one more bedroom being used as an office, a full bath, and a laundry room. The second floor has 2 more bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a loft over the garage. And it also has a full finished basement with a family room, butler pantry, wet bar, wine cooler, a bedroom with a full bathroom, a workshop, and an outside walk-up entrance. The community offers an outdoor in-ground swimming pool and community center and is conveniently located near the beaches in Lewis, Cape Henlopen State Park, and Rehoboth Beach. Call for an appointment today.